folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm sitting here in a Jack's restaurant in Florence, Alabama. It's not far from my house, and Jack's is a local Alabama chain. Started in 1960 in Homewood, Alabama. They now have over 100 restaurants. I think it might be 125, 130 restaurants. They started out as a hamburger joint in 1960. They now serve fried chicken, burgers, really a nice wide menu. One of the things they're really famous for is fried chicken. And I've got a fried chicken breast sitting right here. And I brought along some of the Alabama hot sauce fire honey. So I'm gonna see what this fire honey does to this chicken. Now I gotta tell you, this fire honey is not the calm type of honey that a lot of people sell as fire honey. This fire honey is sweetened with super hots. So I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of it on this chicken, give it a taste, and tell you what I think. Oh, it sure looks nice going on there. And this fire honey is heated with chocolate ghost peppers. And I'm gonna tell you, the smell is pretty strong. So I got my chicken drizzled with this fire honey. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, this is crispy. The country thing to do would be just to pick it up and bite it, but I'm gonna try to be polite. Oh man. This is delicious. Sprinkle a little more of that honey on that piece of chicken. It's pretty hot, but it gives this chicken an unbelievably good flavor. Wish there were other people in here eating chicken right now. I'd invite them over to Drizzle, because this is really good stuff. Pardon me if I look like a pig. I gotta have some iced tea. I can't get in this straw fast enough. There we go. This chicken is tender. The crust is very crispy and light. It'd be delicious by itself, but with this honey on it, this is simply unbelievable. Folks, I gotta tell you, this is hot now. Unbelievable. Well, anyway, folks, that's Jack's fried chicken with Alabama hot sauce fire honey. I'm gonna let you guys go from now. I'm gonna sit here and finish my chicken, and I'm gonna drink this gigantic cup of iced tea. I want to thank you for joining on this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.